new edition with dual tone color for Neotech edition. It comes in two variants, 800cc and 1000cc, and two colors which are available in the dual tone mode. One is Moonlight Silver and the Zanskar Blue. So I request ma'am to just to unveil the cover to see the vehicle.
Ka komunika dakhar ka badai ru ka branch manager jong ka State Bank of India Mobley branch henne ka singi ka khanru tere urisau ka lapalai ya ka kali ka bathmai jong ka Renault ka balatip kum ka quit Neotech edition kane ka kali ka de ka badon ki kor ki bor ki bakat ka juk ka pamenta bat kawan ha ka phras pa sisi bat sia ja sisi.
The upgrade which the company has done with the vehicle is regarding the few cosmetic changes. Just as you can see from outer side, the company has added dual tone color now, which comes first in the segment. In this segment, it is the only vehicle which is providing dual tone color. As you can see, the rooftop comes with separate color and the body comes with another color. So along with that, another change which the company has done is the alloy rim design, steel rim, which is now also available in the second top model, which is Neotech. And apart from that, the other changes which the company has done is in the interior as well. If you can please come inside. 18-inch touchscreen display in the inside of second top model as well, wherein you can also watch videos, plus it is also supported with Android and Apple CarPlay. Along with that, it is also coming with fully digital instrumental cluster and a new design color upgrade seat covers provided from the company. So those are the major few changes which the company has done, along with the safety features like ABS, EBD, sensor seat belts and rear parking sensor are all standard coming across all the variants of Kwid, making it one of the most unbeatable variant and the model in its segment. As long as the price, regarding the price, this is costing you 4,37,800 rupees ex-showroom price, which is one of the most affordable 5-seater vehicle in this segment, along with all those features in this price. So with all this, I would like to request everyone to please come into our dealer and have a test drive and check out upon our new upgraded version of dual tone, and whatever regarding the informations and all will be provided to you, and also you can do a test drive.